So I'm trying to replace the light on the Sprinter that I ordered from eBay, and this is what I got. This is my old one. It's damaged. My old one is damaged over here. It has some part numbers and stuff, and this one doesn't, and looks like it also cracked. It's hard to see from the first time, but if you look from here, it's damaged. And then another damage over here, and things are falling off of it. The screws are different. It looks like it's Chinese screws, and this is original screws. The new light doesn't work. It flickers fast when you turn on left side of the signal. It flickers fast. Piece of shit all over. For sale.